So we are now in solving systems of linear equations in 3 variables. Okay, when we are solving systems of 3 variables, our solution must be an ordered triple x, y, and z. So we are looking for the ordered triple, meaning we need to find the value of x, y, and z. Okay. Suppose we have here our first example. Solve the systems. No? Here we have 3 variables x, y, and z. So, muna siya itong kailangan i-obtain the value. No? We need to solve its value. Okay. Now, by observing the 3 equations, okay, you can observe that in equation 1, you can use the substitution method, no? Since the coefficient of x and y are 1 and negative 1 only. Okay, so dali na siya. So here, we need to first solve for x in terms of y in equation 1. No? So let's solve equation 1. Let's solve x in terms of the other variables, in terms of the other variables. Okay. So we have here x minus y minus 4z is equal to 3. So let's solve for x. X is equal to 3 plus y plus 4z. In other words, we just transpose negative y and negative 4z to the right side of the equation. So, equation 1 looks like this. From there, since we have the value of x in terms of y and z, we can substitute equation 1 to 2 and 3. Meaning to say, we will substitute the value of x, which is equal to 3 plus y plus 4z, to our equation 2 and 3. So what will happen? We have now, for equation 2, we have 2 times 3 plus, plus y plus 4z minus 3y plus 2z is equal to 0. Mao na siya sa equation 2. Ang isa, 2 times 3 plus y plus 2z. Are we correct? 2 plus 4z minus y plus 2z is equal to 2. Mao na siya sa equation number 3. Okay, let's simplify that. Okay, ato siyang simplify. We have, distribute this, 2 times to each term. We have 6 plus 2y plus 4z minus 3y plus 2z is equal to 0. Ang isa, kanina po, to each term, 6 plus 2y plus, are we correct? 8z na siya. 8z minus y plus 2z is equal to 2. Okay? Are we correct? We just simply distribute 2. Okay. So what will happen here? This becomes, you combine 2 minus 3. So that is negative y. 8z plus 2z you have plus 10z. Okay? Then, is equal to 0 naman siya dire. So, naman siya constant na 6. So, we transpose that one to the right side. That becomes negative 6. Correct? Okay. How about the equation 3? This is equation 2. This is equation 3. Okay. Here, again, you look for a combination. 2y minus y, you have y. How about sa z? 8z plus 2z, you have plus 10z. Is equal to, naman kay 2 din na. So, 2 minus, si 6 atong ibalin, so may mo siyang minus 6. Okay, what happened? Padayon Japon kita, no? But no matter what, padayon ta, gamay kay ang space sa atong whiteboard. Okay, padayon ta. So, dirita padayon. Okay. You have negative y plus 10z is equal to negative 6. Y plus 10z. What is 2 minus 6? That is negative 4. So, here, we add the two equations. We could directly cancel y here because negative y plus y is 0. So here, we could have add 10 and 10. 10 plus 10, you have 20z is equal to negative 10. Then here, we can solve z by dividing both sides by 20. So we have z is equal to negative 1 over 2. So nanatay value ni z, nga negative 1/2. No? So may kulang. We need to solve for x and y. Mao yun sa tuwa diri, no? Bisan x na ato dya pong isolve. Okay, so asa man nato ibutang si x? Okay, diri na ako mag-solve ha. Ay, diri na ako mag-erase. Diri. Okay. I need to solve for x. Because equation 1 is like this. We can now we lack x, we lack z. So what we're going to do? Na naman tay z. Usa pay kulang. We need to solve for y. No? This is again, this is your 2. This is your 3. Your 3. Okay. Diba? From equation 3, we can solve for y. Okay? So you have y plus 10z is equal to negative 4. Now, mamanto siya diri sa equation 3. So we need to solve y. Y in terms of z. So y is equal to negative 4 minus 10z. So nanatay x, nanatay y. But y can be obtained if we substitute the value of our z. So we substitute z is equal to negative 1/2. So what will happen? We can solve now for y. So y is equal to negative 4 minus 10z. So that is negative 4 minus 10. Substitute the value of your z, which is negative 1/2. Negative 1/2. So you have negative 4, negative 10 times negative 1/2. That is, oh sorry, wala nakita guys. Here, we use this one, y is equal to negative 4 minus 10z. Then we substitute the value of our z, which is equal to negative 1/2. Okay, from this, we can obtain the value of y. So here, we substitute the value of z, which is negative 1/2. So that is negative 4. Negative 10 times negative 1/2, that is positive 5, correct? Because you're just simply dividing 10 by 2. So that is y. So it follows that your y is equal to 1. Okay? Nanatay y, nanatay z. Unsa gay kulang? Si x. So mo nang sakit kay si x japon ang kulang sa tuwa, no? Sige, let's solve for x. Okay. Let's solve for x using equation 1. So you have x, substitute y is equal to 1 and z is equal to negative 1 half to equation number 1. So you have x is equal to 3. Unsay value ni y? 1 plus 1. Unsay value ni z? So plus 4. Z nato is negative 1 half. At least si x atong last gisolve, no? You have 3 plus, you have 4 already here. Because 3 plus 1 is 4, right? Di lang ta, diretso na ta 4. Then, 4 times negative 1 half. So, you have minus 2. So, it follows that your x is equal to 2. At least, ang value ni x gamay na lang, 2 na lang, no? So, therefore, our solution set is the ordered triple 2, 1, and negative 1 half. Are we correct? I hope na-enjoy mo, no? In solving systems of linear equations in 3 variables.